This is the heater. It's a pipe heater, 12 volt. I think it pulls about an amp and a half. That's going to be the insulation that I'm going to put over this water tank. The heater is going to go underneath it, and I'm going to wire a thermostat into it so that it keeps the water warm. It's not a legitimate hot water heater, but it'll keep it warm enough to take a decent shower without freezing to death. On a small piece of wood, just slightly elevated, so there's enough room for the heater. You can see the wires coming out right here. It's completely wrapped up. This is a hot water heater blanket. It has an adhesive backing on it. Tank has been completely wrapped with hot water heater insulating blanket. I went back with aluminum tape to seal it off even better. Turn it on.